In this video, I will show you how to read your Oura Ring body temperature. So this is actually very simple, but of course you do need to know how to read it or how to see it. Right, let's get started. So first open the Oura Ring app, of course, and then what you need to do is you need to go to the readiness section. So in the bottom of your screen, you see all of these options, and then you need to go to readiness. Then you see body temperature right there, and here you can see your body temperature over the days. So you can see if there's a trend in your body temperature, and you can see, you just switch between them. So as you can see here, you can see my body temperature over the last few days. And what you can do is you can add a tag right there, and you can say, like, for example, I did this or I did that, and it might have an impact on your body temperature. So if you add text of what you do or specific things you did differently than normal, this way you can see if it has a positive impact or a less positive impact. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. It's very simple, very straightforward, but yeah, that's nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.